Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minutes Solution channel. Today we'll show you how to download Java for Minecraft. So let's get started. First, open your browser. Then search download Java on the search bar. Now open this website. Here you can see all the different versions. Click the latest version to download. Once downloaded, click to install. Follow the setup wizard and accept the default options to install the Java. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.